This is update number 3 of the DIY sim rig, and it's a timber rig. I should have mentioned that in the first video, but anyway, here we go. So it's in the house finally, and I've just painted it matte black. Working on a bit of cable management, so we've got some cable management sort of tubes, etc. around the back there. Seems to be working okay, and then the only way of actually servicing the rig was to run a USB hub, and that's a powered hub, a 12-volt hub. So everything on the rig runs from that hub, and then I've just cable tied it to the rig. There's that shifter that you've probably seen in the previous ones. I mean, that is a disgusting handle. I'm trying to work out what to do with that. Get a foam one or something like that, but I can't find one at the moment, apart from on eBay. That's my PC. Not sure what to say about it, apart from it's a 1080, and all the other bits and bobs that are needed to run a rig like this. I'm pretty happy actually with the ergonomics of it. I've got the keyboard tray there, and the mouse pad tray, and the inverted pedals, which you've seen before. Now, I had an issue with one of the amps that came the other day, so I've had to return it. Otherwise this would be a completed rig, but effectively the idea is that there'll be 2 amps mounted here, and that they'll service 4 butt kickers. So there'll be essentially 2 sort of around the back there, and then another 2 mounted to the back there. And I'm not sure whether that will give me the feeling that I need, but I'll give it a crack. Now, just in terms of vibration reduction, I've got 2 of these things from Bunnings and put them with some double-sided tape together, and I think they're vibration mounts, pads or something. I've tried a number of different solutions, but this seems to be the cheapest and probably the most effective at this stage. What else? If anyone has any questions about what's going on here, then we're going to message me, and I'll do another update. Thanks, bye.